Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to be doing a climate control swap. So this is the climate control off of a 2016 to 2019 Honda Civic. The difference between the Type R and the regular Civic is you're going to have your recycle, and then you're going to have your mode. And you'll actually have AC on and off, and then you'll be able to turn on the actual fans with this wheel over here. And then in the screen right here, it'll actually display your temperature. So there's a few things we have to do before we get started. So first, we're going to turn the vehicle on, or we don't actually have to turn it on. We can just turn accessory mode on. So you see how slow kind of takes a little bit for the screen to actually get on. And usually the only thing I can control while the car is loading, or while the screen is loading, I guess, is basically the on and off position of the vehicle. I can't control temperature or anything like that. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your sync button is pushed. So what the sync does is the driver's side is on 68 degrees Fahrenheit, and the passenger side is on 68 degrees. And when you change the temperature, it changes both of the temperatures at the same time. If you have it off sync, that's when you can turn the passenger and the driver and passenger side temperatures increase and decrease independently. So you want to make sure we have those synced, because with the one we're going to be installing, we will actually be losing that feature, and it's not really a big problem for me, so I'll be okay with that. So now that the sync is on, turn the car back off accessory mode. There's two panels on the armrest that I'm just going to remove. So this one here and this one here. You're then going to want to grab like a interior mold trim removal tool, and you're just going to want to kind of work your way, grab a piece of this trim, and you should be able to pull it off. Let's see. And be very careful with the clip at the top, because it's a little sensitive. So let's do this side. This installation shouldn't take very long. Again, just be very careful with trying to remove. There we go. All right. Next, you should be able to just pull the control. Maybe I'm wrong, but nope, you can pull it right out. All right, in the back, there's going to be two little clips you're going to want to remove. So you're just going to pull those out and take out the old one. You're going to grab your new one, or new used. I hope this works. I hope the actual module works. I bought it on eBay for about 25 bucks, and I thought I'd give it a shot. So plug the new one in, 1 and 2. And I'm just going to turn the accessory mode back on before I fully seat it. So yeah, that's lit. That's dope. So you'll see it says the temperature, AC on. We can control the fan speed while the car is actually still loading on. And we can actually change the temperature. We can also change the mode. That's super awesome. And we can turn it off, and then it shuts the screen off. So let's button everything back up, seat it right back in position, grab our two L arms, seat those nicely, put our armrest back on. How does this shit go? too. And then I'll bring you guys down. All right, so we'll turn the car on. The airbag light works. We've got temperature. I can increase and decrease the fan speed. I can turn AC off, on. All the modes seem to be working. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. And to my knowledge, let me see. Yeah, there's no, you lose the actual climate controls section on the screen because you no longer have the button. But I do think I like the way that this looks more. I think it's a little bit more OEM plus. I think it does look pretty cool, and seems to be more functional than the OEM one. I'll probably end up switching out the head unit itself at some point in the future to either the 2020 or 2021 version. This way I have like the volume knob, or I might buy that joying 9-inch, the like 9-inch joying screen. I don't know yet. For right now the screen's not bad, but this is really what I cared about. You have auto. Yeah, I can turn it off immediately. AC on. I love it. That's awesome. So yeah, guys, thanks for checking out the video. If you want to get one of these, you can find them on on eBay for about, they go for about $25 to $50. I got this one for 25 bucks, which I thought was crazy because a lot of the other ones that I saw that were a little bit more expensive, they weren't the best quality. This one actually has no scratches on it. It's a little dusty. I'll hit it with the little microfiber. I gotta clean the inside of my car, so when I actually get to that, then I'll do that. But thanks for watching, guys.